So Raebareli, that's how the voting has been. Let's look at some of the reactions that have come in this time. How important, whether it's Amethi, Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh will be. For now, it's the state and the centre double-engine sarkar. Can Raebareli spring a surprise, or will it be the loyalty legacy factor of the Gandhis for the people of Raebareli? Let's listen in.
For the second time against the Gandhi family, but this time it's not Sonia Gandhi, it's Rahul Gandhi, and Rahul is currently now here at a temple where he's offering prayers. Very important election, and Rahul Gandhi on his visit to Raebareli has decided to start today's visit by visiting this temple, and you see in the visuals how he is currently inside the temple premises offering prayers. Very important election for Raebareli, and at the same time, if I also talk about how the voting is currently underway in Raebareli, which has gone beyond 27% till 11 in the afternoon. But Rahul Gandhi's presence here is very significant, is a clear indication that Rahul has taken this election very seriously, and at the same time how he managed to be here and making it a point that as a candidate he belongs to Raebareli, he is in Raebareli, he is performing puja in Raebareli, and with the fact that how a lot of accusation has always been there from the Congress, from the BJP side, that Rahul and Gandhi has forgotten, but Rahul is in Raebareli offering prayers and will be visiting the poll station in Raebareli. With cameraman Sandeep, Abhishek Mishra for India Today.
दिनेश प्रताप जी, सोनिया गांधी कोई चैलेंजर थे और आज राहुल गांधी के क्या फर्क आपको लगता है उस वक्त से
आज की तारीख में रायबरेली की जनता गांधी परिवार के उपेक्षित हो और गांधी परिवार से उपेक्षित होने के कारण, सुख दुख में कभी साथ न देने के कारण बहुत नाराज है, अपने को ठगी महसूस कर रही है। और मैं चुनाव हारने के बाद लगातार रायबरेली की जनता की सेवा कर रहा हूं, गांव गली में घूम रहा हूं, घूम घूम करके लोगों की समस्याओं का निदान कर रहा हूं। इसलिए और मोदी जी का भरोसा है, मोदी जी पर रायबरेली की जनता भरोसा करती है, क्योंकि मोदी जी ने बहुत काम किया है। मोदी जी के हाथों में देश सुरक्षित है, मोदी जी के हाथों में देशवासी।
एक तरफ है मोदी फैक्टर, आपका यहाँ से जुड़े रहना, मगर एक तरफ है लॉयल्टी, इमोशनल फैक्टर। मैं अपना बेटा सौंप रही हूँ कहना, परिवार ने यहाँ सालों से रहे, तो क्या इमोशन पे लोग आज वोट करेंगे या आपके जुड़े रहने पे वोट करेंगे?
आप मुझे बता दो, दादा को क्यों छोड़ दिया? दादा तो यहाँ के सांसद थे, आप दादा को छोड़ दोगे, बेटा को सौंप दोगे, कौन तुम्हारे ऊपर भरोसा करेगा?
डेफिनेटली ये पार्टी का निर्णय होता है। आई एम नॉट अबव द पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड। अगर पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड ने फैसला दिया है किसी को टिकट देने का, देन दैट इज दैट, एंड आई रिस्पेक्ट दैट कम्प्लीटली। और पूरी तरीके से मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सपोर्ट में हूं, और आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं। आई कुड नॉट बी हैप्पियर। इट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट नीड ऑफ द आवर, एंड आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी फैंटास्टिक।
So on the ground here, Rahul Gandhi, who intends to now represent Raebareli as well, arrived in Lucknow early this morning, and he's been on a tour to all the polling booths to assess the situation, interact with some of the voters as well. Abhishek Mishra was tracking him. I bring him now in this telecast. Abhishek, can we say that compared to the previous phases for Uttar Pradesh, this phase has likely, possibly with hope, seen a better turnout around you?
Well, absolutely, Pooja, and that is why, today a lot of action has happened on the ground in terms of first Dinesh Pratap Singh, who cast his vote there at the center, claiming that the Gandhi family no more belongs to Raebareli. He has done a lot of work, but just after 11:30, when Rahul arrived here in Raebareli and, had visited more than dozens of polling stations, got the sense on the ground, interacted with the voters, with the polling agents, and also, took notice of the complaints by the local voters. There were several issues. So that is something which has actually worked for the Congress party. We have seen an increase in the vote and turnout, specifically after 2 p.m. and we are expecting that to increase by the evening when the final data will be out. But yes, Rahul Gandhi's presence today in Raebareli has witnessed one thing, that he, along with the party, is not taking it lightly. They're not taking it for granted. Both Raebareli and Amethi as well. Amethi also, we saw Priyanka Gandhi very aggressively campaigning throughout 15 days. But today,
Tell me this,
both
Amethi, Raebareli will be crucial in Amethi, BJP will want to maintain a stronghold, so Congress party does not return, and in Raebareli, Congress will want to maintain a stronghold. But can we say, for example, Raebareli this time, it's not just about winning, it's also about the margin factor. For example, the vote share for Sonia Gandhi previously, it was getting smaller. The BJP has been making inroads in Raebareli. It may not win, but even that the fact that it's been able to make that inroads does speak about the efforts. And similarly in Amethi, they are banking on a man who perhaps will know the inside out of the party and will try to take on Smriti Irani. So tell us about that. Do you think it's simply about Gandhi jeet gaye or Smriti Irani jeet gaye, or it will be also about the margin between whoever wins?
Well, certainly, margins are going to be very decisive in this elections because last time Smriti Irani in Amethi won by 55,000. That is not much of a margin. Yes, indeed, she won against Rahul Gandhi and that in a very close fight. But this time by KL Sharma, they're optimistic that it will go beyond 3 to 4 lakhs. This is what the BJP cadre and the agents there are targeting. On the contrary, if you look at Raebareli, Rahul Gandhi himself has, said that this time it has to be 4 to 5 lakh in a public rally along with Akhilesh. So, their margins will certainly determine what is actually happening on the ground, whether the sentiment is still there.
Yes.
And in Amethi as well, Congress also has fielded KL Sharma, but we will not have to forget that he is a man from the ground, has been working with the Gandhis for 40 years, and if he's able to get that, that is something which will be very interesting.
Gandhis have said he's a family member, so he's not like anyone. Yes. Go ahead, Abhishek. I see that. Are you following Rahul Gandhi, if I'm correct? Go ahead. What were you saying?
So I was showing the visuals. Yes, I am, and he's on the go continuously, has visited more than dozens of these polling stations. And I've also noticed one thing, that Rahul is trying to connect with everyone on the ground. He went to the rural areas, he also went to the urban polling station. He's right now again stopping at another polling station and making a point there, what is happening, whether they are getting some threatenings at the local level by the incumbent government or any other representative. He's also talking about the core issues. He's also talking about any inconvenience they have.